What if I told you you could create high-quality product reviews, rank them on Google, and start making money online without writing a single word yourself? Sounds crazy, right? But stay with me, because what I'm about to share with you might completely change the way you make money online. Let's be honest. Making money online is not as easy as people say. You've probably tried different things, maybe affiliate marketing, blogging, YouTube automation, or even freelancing. And what happens? You spend hours working, learning, trying, and still, the results don't come. Writing content takes time. SEO feels complicated. Creating videos is exhausting. And after all that effort, there's still no guarantee you'll make money. That's why so many people quit. But what if there was a smarter, faster, and easier way to do all of this? A way where most of the work is done for you. Introducing ReviewSuite360. This is not just another tool. This is a complete system designed to help you create powerful, high-converting review pages in minutes. Imagine this. You enter a keyword, and within minutes, you get a fully designed review page. It includes AI-generated content. It's optimized for search engines, and is ready to promote products and earn commissions. No writing, no technical skills, no experience needed. Anyone can use it, whether you are a beginner or someone who has already tried making money online and failed. This tool makes everything simple. Think about this for a second. Every day, thousands of new products are launched online, and every single one of those products needs reviews. People search for reviews before they buy anything. That means reviews bring traffic. Traffic brings clicks. Clicks bring commissions. That's the opportunity right there. And instead of spending hours creating reviews manually, you can now automate the entire process. That means faster results, less effort, and more potential income. With ReviewSuite360, everything is in one place. It helps you create review content automatically. It builds pages for you. It optimizes everything for search engines. It even helps you add videos and structure your content in a way that converts. You don't need multiple tools. You don't need to hire anyone. Everything is done for you. Now listen carefully. Opportunities like this don't stay the same forever. When a powerful tool like this is new, it's usually available at a lower price. But as more people start using it, the price increases. And the people who take action early are always the ones who benefit the most. So here's what you need to do right now. The link is in the description. Go ahead and check it out. Take action today. Don't wait. Don't overthink it. Because the longer you wait, the more chances you miss. And before you go, I have something special for you. If you purchase this product using the link in the description, I am going to give you an exclusive free bonus. Yes, completely free. This bonus is designed to help you get faster results and increase your chances of making money. Here's how you can claim it. After purchasing, contact me on my Instagram. Send me a screenshot of your purchase, and I will personally send you the bonus. It's that simple. This bonus will give you an extra advantage and help you move ahead faster than others. Now imagine this. 30 days from today, you have multiple review pages running online. You're getting traffic every single day, and you start seeing commissions coming in, all because you decided to take action today. So don't wait. Click the link in the description right now. Get started. And remember, by using the link in the description. Then contact me on Instagram with your purchase screenshot and claim your free bonus. This could be your turning point. Take action now, and I'll see you on the inside.